Hi everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, I am super excited to see what is in this box. Um, it's been a long time coming. I know Spencer and Steve have been working on these for a couple of years, and I've been anxiously awaiting their arrival. This, of course, is going to be the Peacemaker from Wheat State Cutlery. Now, I know some of you have been asking me about Finch and doing slip joints, and, well, this is your answer. It's not Finch, it's Wheat State Cutlery. Still Spencer and Steve, so I don't know if you would call this a line under Finch. I don't think so. It's pretty much its own entity, from what I understand. So, guys, this just got here. I have not seen this knife yet. There's a picture on the other side, so I know which one they sent, but I am super excited. So there you go. You can pause and if you read if you'd like, but this knife, the Peacemaker, was inspired by Wyatt Earp. All right, so we've got a very nice case, and let's see what. Oh, dude. The coin. They've just released pictures. So in this little pouch, let's see what we've got. I mean, this is the first one, so we're going to take a little bit of an extra look. There you go. Wheat State Cutlery. Very cool. There's your warranty card. Oh, and there's kind of a... There you go. That kind of explains the blade markings. Now, the markings are also... We're going to look at the coin first. Each knife comes with a coin. Now, there's 3 different versions. Dude, that is so freaking cool. Now, as it will show you on that card, that's how they're numbered. The number 1 is the pattern. It's the Peacemaker. It's the first. M stands for M390. The 100, that's how many they made of this handle material. I believe there's 3 different handle materials, and I believe they made 300 of all 3. That may not exactly be correct, but I believe so. And then 24 is the year it's released. That's freaking awesome. I dig it. I dig it. Now, yes, guys, please understand. You guys know I'm a huge Finch fan. And Spencer and Steve have been absolutely fantastic. And, you know, that's probably going to pour over. I hope it pours over into this knife because I love to get excited about knives. There you go. This nice. I'm sniffing. Doing the leather sniff. But it is embossed with Wheat State Cutlery. Oh, man. Very nice inside. Got a package. I'm going to cover it up. We're going to look at it at the same time. All right, where's the blade? Okay, ready? Oh, this is the red, let me make sure I get the right, Red River carbon fiber with black washed titanium bolsters. There we go. Very nice. Now, like I said, there's 3 different versions. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the cut of the titanium. Or, I mean, gosh, the carbon fiber, I'm sorry. I like how it almost looks like a floating backspacer. You know, spring, not backspacer, sorry. I'm mesmerized. Very nice. You've got an easy out cutout. Nail nick for opening. Now, this is a Bestech OEM, guys. These were made by Bestech. So that was kind of interesting as well. Is kind of wanted to see how Bestech would do with these. Transitions, very nice. Very smooth. I love the cross cut. I'm kind of mesmerized by the cross cut on that carbon fiber. That's pretty cool. All right. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm very... Okay, that's probably Let me see. Pulls probably close to a 6. Nice half stop. Goes into it very nicely. See the markings, Wheat State Cutlery. And there again, there's your blade markings. First model, the Peacemaker M390. 100 of them made in 2024. The release. Nice black washed sheep's foot blade. Want the walk and talk. Kicks into it pretty good. Nice snap shut. What do you guys think? And I know this light's not doing this carbon fiber a whole lot of justice. Decent amount of pressure. Got a nice sharpening trail going on there. No jimping or anything like that. I like it. Now, these are not going to release for a while. They don't release until December 13th. Guys, I was going to try to hold off. I really was, and I couldn't do it. I waited I waited too long. I was gonna wait and give you, so maybe closer to the release date we'll get get some use on it and we'll talk about it, but I couldn't wait, guys. I had to get this knife open and check it out. And I wanted to do it with you guys because I think it's just that much more fun. But now, these are going to run about $265. So, I don't think I'm going to make the same, bold statement in my collection that I did with Finch. I just don't think that's going to work out, especially not right at the moment when we're not working any overtime, because that's usually what buys my knives, is my overtime money. So I've got a scrimp. I do think, and guys, Finch sent this one out, and Spencer and Steve, with only 100 of each model made, thank you very much for sending this out. I think I'm going to try to get one of the Burlwoods. I'm going to put together what I can. And that burl looks absolutely amazing as well. I don't think I'm going to be able to get the other two, but I really think I'm going to try to get a Burlwood. Nice. I don't know. You guys let me know. What do you think? It's a slip joint. They're not cheap. No, trust me, I get that. They're not cheap at all. As to this point, first look, seems to be pretty well made. It's got a pretty darn good action to it. I love what they're doing with the blade markings. I think that is super cool, how they're doing the blade markings. I really like that. The fact that they send the coin too is kind of a collector's thing. I like that idea. I mean, you guys know, I thought that was a great idea when Jack Wolf started doing, it's a collection. It's a collection. I don't think I'm going to be able to collect them all, though. Not these. Sorry, guys. I'm going to try. I might try. I have to say that. I might try, but I think I'm really going to look into getting one of the Burlwoods. But, man. All right. That's the unboxing, guys. I know I'm just kind of sitting here oogling on it, and that's probably not great TV, but I am super, super stoked for what these guys have coming. I mean, I do love Finch knives. Spencer and Steve are fantastic. They're awesome. Their inspiration for their knives that's part of what I love, and just, yeah, I am really, really looking forward to where they take Wheat State Cutlery, for sure. So, thanks a lot, guys. First look, at the Wheat State Cutlery Peacemaker. Like I said, they drop December 13th. We'll probably get another video out before then, get some use on it, and we'll check it out. But here it is, guys. Thank you so much. As always, have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.